For me as a teacher, the ultimate purpose of integrating digital tools with my students is to transform and redefine the learning taking place in my classroom. As a school, we have looked at the SAMR model and TIMS matrix, ensuring that when we are using technology in our classrooms at St Thomas, that we are modifying or redefining the learning taking place, with substitution level activities kept to a minimum, though I do believe that they have their place. We are constantly examining how we can encourage our students to collaborate, communicate, and create. I want to develop critical and creative thinkers who can problem solve and have the skills and abilities to use a wide range of tools at their disposal to achieve any challenge set before them. I always consider, and I always want my students to consider, what is the best tool to achieve the outcome, whether that be technological or not. How do students believe they can best achieve the challenges set for them by their teachers, and also those challenges they set for themselves? When planning, I start with the curriculum. I workshop my ideas and then investigate and consider the best way to go about teaching and scaffolding my students to achieve these educational outcomes. Technology is always one of my considerations. Can technology help to transform this learning experience for the benefit of my students? If no, then we don't use technology. We don't simply use it because it will be more engaging for the students. We use the technology if we can extend, transform, and redefine our learning. If the technology will do this, then I explore further and consider whether I want them to work in a certain way, for example using a certain app, or if it is more beneficial for them to choose the way they present their own work. In my class, students do have autonomy to use a wide range of technologies they believe are best suited to their learning. I believe that technology naturally allows students to work at those higher order thinking skill levels of creating, evaluating, and analysing. My main buzzword is creativity. That is what I'm trying to foster in my students. I always talk about it in the classroom. A big part of the reason I integrate digital tools into my classroom is because it allows my students to show their creativity and really flourish. I'm constantly amazed at the original and creative ideas they come up with. The process and the final product are a pleasure to see and make me excited for the future of education.